Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing materials and making the first precise cuts. Lay out 80-100 GSM paper, a repositionable adhesive, ruler, craft knife, and a cutting mat. Once aligned, stack your sheets and trim to the chosen pad size, 3x3 in or 4x6 in, keeping edges flush. Make sure to cut with a straight edge to avoid ragged sides. A clean stack means cleaner gluing later. After trimming, clamp or press the stack so sheets cannot shift while you move to the adhesive step. Next, you bind the stack with adhesive, focusing on even application and controlled tack. Once the top edge is masked to protect note faces, spread repositionable adhesive with a small brush or foam roller in thin, consistent layers. 1 or 2 coats produce a flexible bond. Make sure to cover the edge fully, but avoid seepage onto note surfaces. After coating, let the adhesive sit until tack develops. Then press the stack under weight to ensure contact and even drying. This produces neat, reliably finish by trimming any excess adhesive and testing your pad with a few trial peels. You should be able to lift a single sheet cleanly. If sheets won't separate, remove excess adhesive from the faces and consider a lighter coat next time. Once cured, cut or square the edges if needed and store the pad flat away from heat and moisture. If notes refuse to stick, reapply a thin adhesive layer to the binding edge and let it dry fully. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most common problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.